Camping. It is a wonderful time for you to connect and be one with nature. To sit around the campsite and relax and take a nap. And the best part is sitting around a campfire, roasting marshmallows while engaging in friendly conversation. But have you ever tried to start a fire and just can't get it going? Are you tired of straining your hands and breaking countless matches?
Darn these matches!
Are you sick of the wind blowing out your lighter time and time again?
This thing's garbage. Well, how many Boy Scouts does it take to light a fire these days?
Well, have you tried our brand new hand-powered flint and steel fire maker?
What? What's that?
The hand-powered flint and steel fire maker is a device that was specifically made to make fires. It uses state-of-the-art flint and steel technology mixed with advanced kinematic design.
Here you go. Try it. Gee, thanks.
It's easy to use. Just turn the hand crank and the steel will rotate and strike the flint multiple times per rotation. Let's see it in action.
Wow, this thing is good.
Surprisingly good.
You can even use it for barbecuing.
Baked to perfection.
Killing weeds. And even self-defense. The hand-powered flint and steel fire maker is backed up by extremely smart scientists. Let's see how they made it.
In order to synthesize our device properly, we wanted to make sure that for every input revolution, that the flint and steel would rub against each other 5 times per revolution. We also wanted to ensure that the flint and steel would hit each other at the appropriate time, so graphical synthesis would be required. We also wanted to ensure that the forces of the link bearings will be appropriate, so we calculated the forces to size the bearings. And we also wanted the device to create unbelievable amounts of flames. Isn't that right, Gary?
Yes, that's right.
In order to synthesize the device properly, we made sure that the interference between the flint and steel was appropriate to provide a strike. And we also made sure that it did not interfere on the recoil. We also sized the linkages appropriately to the discrete values available to Legos for our prototype. And we also designed it such that the transmission angle was 90 degrees on the impact to ensure the appropriate mechanical advantage. And we also made sure that the transmission angle was never less than 40 degrees to prevent binding. To make this device practical, the bearings need to be sized appropriately to the forces. The forces are as shown on the linkage, with the assumption that the impact force of the flint and steel will be 0.85 pounds coming out at a 211 degree angle. These calculations were made to make the best product for you.
But doesn't flint and steel create sparks?
Yeah! To order your hand-powered flint and steel fire maker for just $19.95, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-DR-HOW. That is 1-800-374-6935. Or send a check or money order to the address on your screen. So don't delay. Call 1-800-DR-HOW and order your hand-powered flint and steel fire maker today. Please don't call the number.
And kids, remember, only you can prevent forest fires.